If you want to check voicemail messages on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all we need to open the phone app. Now over here we're gonna switch to the keypad and you want to press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. If needed, you want to of course select your SIM. And then once you call the voicemail, you should be able to listen to all those messages that someone might have left you. Now if you press and hold number 1, so if you try to speed dial voicemail and it doesn't work, this might be due to incorrect voicemail number in settings. So you want to go back to the home page, tap on these lines in the upper left corner, and you want to go to settings. Now over here in settings, we're gonna open voicemail. If needed, select your SIM and then choose advanced settings. Then here we're gonna go for the setup, and here we have the voicemail number which you can edit. Of course, if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can either contact your carrier or service provider and ask them about the voicemail number, or you can try to simply Google that information. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.